Alrighty folks, hope y'all doing good this evening. Right here we've got 3 pumpkins. They're Deal Atlantic pumpkins. I got the seed from Hoss Tools. They're having a little contest, who can grow the largest pumpkin. Do I think I'm going to win? No. I still got faith in yous though. This is their first time trying to grow a big pumpkin like this. So what we're going to do this evening, we're going to clip the ends and bury the ends. That way the pumpkin has another source of energy going to it there. Let's get started. Alrighty, let's get rid of them there. Now, we don't need them other blossoms. Okay. We're gonna do it right here. Let me go get my shovel. Alrighty. Now, get my little clippers out here again. Get rid of those. Alrighty. That there off. Now, put that there. Now, we go up here. Alright, let's take a look at this pumpkin up here right now. There's that little feller. Pull this back over, keep the sun from beating down on it. Now, what we're growing these in, folks, we have a wicking tub. I've got 3 pumpkin plants in the wicking tub. We've been feeding them and watering them all from up here, and then now they're going to have another route. When we cut the end of that there, it'll actually help get it some energy, nutrition from the ground coming from that direction. Alrighty, let's work on the next. Raise this up here and see what we got. Shovel. Push that down in the hole. Now let's take a look at this little pumpkin, see what it's doing. He's already starting to get a little bit of orange color, so I don't know. He may already be getting too tough to grow much bigger, but we'll see. Like I said, this is the first year we've tried to grow big pumpkins, so we'll see how it does. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.